Hi, in this video I would like to show you how I make these little corn husk angels, little Christmas tree ornaments. I use dry and wet corn husk to make them, natural and dyed with food colorant or egg dye. First I make a set of wings. I use dry corn husk and white cotton thread. Then I will take these scissors and cut to the desired shape. All right. Then I will go ahead and continue with the head. I use these wooden beads. And then I use wet corn husk. And I wrap around the bead. Make a twist and cover the whole bead. And then again I will take cotton thread, tie a knot here. And shorten. Now I will attach this loop to be able to hang it. I use this decorative trim. Tie a knot here. All right, now it comes the dress. I will use this, a natural one. Oops. And then very carefully I have the head and the body, and now it's time to attach the wings to the body. I will use a green ribbon from wet corn husk, and I start from the front. I put around the neck, so from the front make a cross, and then I take the wings, like this, and then simply tie a knot and make a ribbon. Okay, now what I do is I want to make sure it will dry nicely, so I take another strip of corn husk and I adjust the dress. Tie it here, and then I have another bead, and I will insert into the dress, so it will dry with a nice shape. Now it's time to let it either air dry or in a very lightly heated oven. Just make sure you don't burn your little angel. And then when it's completely dry, what I do is I attach the hair, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. So this is a dry angel, and I use universal glue that dries clear, and I use a dried and cut corn silk that is lightly browned because it was in the oven for a couple of minutes. So what I do, I will turn the wings so I have the head and I can work on it. I use a toothpick, and then I put a good amount of glue on the head, and then I use this toothpick and I will work on it so it will cover the, well, this is the back of the head, and then in the front I will need some more. And when it's completely covered where I want to put hair or corn silk, and it does have the shape of what the desired shape. Then I just grab this and lightly push to the glue so it will stick to it. I just keep pushing and adding some more. Alright, and now I shake the excess off, and the wings are back, and this is it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a beautiful Christmas. Bye bye.